My name's Steve Etzel. I'm actually, I've been in real estate going on, I'm sure everybody heard me as they were coming in. I've been going on real estate for 28 years. Um, Both my mom and dad are in real estate, and they say, guess what you're going to do when you grow up? So I became a realtor, and I took my first real estate class at the age of 16. Now, I couldn't take my license yet, right? So I had to wait till I was 18. And ironically, I took my license the day after my 18th birthday, and I've been in it ever since. I hold a real estate license, a broker's license, actually, in 9 different states, California being one of them. I teach in 25 different states, and I specialize in exam prep in all 25 states. And so hopefully I could bring a little experience to the table for you and help you get through this exam and make it as easy as possible. All right, now, when it comes to the exam, there's a couple test-taking tips that I kind of want to give you guys, because the number one reason why most people fail the exam is not because they don't know the information. It's because they get nervous and test anxiety. Test anxiety is the number one reason why people actually fail the exam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a back screen with you guys and kind of walk through and kind of give you guys some ideas on how to settle down a little bit. Know that once you're done with this material, we've taught 25, 28 people over the last couple of weeks, and they've all passed the first time. 95% of the responses that responded back, which was 25 of the people out of 28, passed it the first time. So that's 95% pass rate. So once we go through this, I'm hoping, I'm not going to guarantee nothing, but I'm hoping that everything will be A-okay. All right, now, in the chat box, does everybody know where the chat box is? If you know where the chat box is, I'm going to ask a question here. And did everybody receive the exam prep material that we're going to be going through today? If you have not received it, please put your email in the chat box, and at the break, I will send it over to you. If you did not receive it, you can also take screenshots until you do receive it, okay? Because this course is focused only on one thing and one thing only. It's all about learning how to take the state exam, okay? Now, we're going to go through questions, of course, but I'm also going to illustrate some certain things, some concepts that we have to know as well. Last but not least, everybody freaks out over this. I get this question every time I teach this exam prep. How many math questions are on the state exam? So if you are freaked out about math, it is time to take a sigh of relief. Ready? Last person that took the exam wrote me and said they passed the exam and they got no math questions. So if everybody's freaked out about math, just go ahead and take a big, deep breath right now. I'm not